Here it is again. Guess what time it is? Wow! It is dishes time. I didn't want that in there. Yeah, I don't do knives. Knives get done in the dishwasher. I mean, the sharp knives get done in the sink. Sure as hell can't do it by myself. Ow. Italian heat. Lemon. Guess I had to put the dishes away. Keep some suds in that baby. We got a notice this month from the dump or from recycle. They don't want any more napkins in there because they have food stuff on them. Alright. There we go. Now you're not even pointing this way. Why don't you look over here for a minute and show me what you got. There you go. Another knife. Get that. We had chicken tonight. Chicken fingers with lemon sauce. Or I should say lemon, and I had tomato salad, lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, delicious too. Yep, tomorrow's weigh-in. And I hope to beat my old record of 26 pounds for a week. pan over. Oh, I forgot to take the chicken out. Forgot to take the chicken out. Get out of town, G. Wow, it could be a catastrophe. Small pieces of chicken. I'm going to lift them out with my fingers. My fingers are clean. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to have to scrape the bottom of that pan just to get some of this. Just to get some of this juice. Voila. Sorry. My leg hurts tonight. Yes, it do. If that's too loud for you guys and you can't hear me, then too bad. This old brush again. Leave that stuff right off of there. Alright. That's it. Gotta finish cleaning up a little bit. I'm all done. Gotta go take a shower now. Try kill logic. Awesomeness for band. Oh man. Boy, my leg just all of a sudden today really freaking hurts right now. Look at that. That's it, people. Now I gotta wash the stove. I don't know what are in there, but it's stuck under my towel. That looks like shit. Get out of there. Oh, that looks like crap. What you do? That looks like crap. Well, it's more better. Not perfect, but it's more better. I got something in there and I can't get rid of it. Yeah, just wasn't getting rid of it. Alright, that's it for us, people. Ooh, good deal. Ooh. Oh, just in time. Oh, we forgot one. Yes, I remember exactly what happened here. Ah, shit. There we go. Alright, we got it. Did you see that? Oh, my fucking leg is killing me right now. Ow, ow, and ow. Ooh, all the way from my foot to my butt. Ow. Well, let's see what the news has got to say right now. Come on. Primary.